Hey, what's up? Welcome back to another video, and if you're into Hux World, and today we got some watch faces to check out that came with the Galaxy Watch Active. Now listen up, people. I don't know what developers are getting down for Samsung's native app, but their watch faces always looks nice when a new smartwatch comes out. It was like that on the Galaxy Watch. It was like that on the Gear S3, the Gear S2. We got to get with these developers because I would like to see some of these watch faces definitely come to the Galaxy Watch. All right, with that being said, let's go ahead and check these watch faces out real quick. The ones that I think are really nice anyway. Now this first one is called Activity Sparkle. I like the look. I really like the font on this watch face, and it is interactive as well. So if I tap on it, you can make the background move. I thought that was nice. I thought it was different. Haven't seen nothing like this one in the Gear Manager store. Now what I like about a lot of these watch faces is that you can customize the watch face within the app on the smartphone. I wish we can do that with most, if not all, other watch faces that we download from the Gear Manager store. That's not possible yet, but I'm keeping hope alive. The next one is called Breathe. Now Breathe is nice. This is the one they've been advertising with the watch, which is nice. I didn't know this swirl was this smooth, this nice, and you get a elegant luxury feel with the hands. It looks nice. It's going to be an energy saving watch face as well. Not a bad look. But this one is a fun one. I like this one. I also wish I had this one in my lineup. If this exists in the Gear Manager store, somebody hit me in the comment section down below, because this one is nice. It's fun, right? So you're gonna get your date down at the bottom, then you get like the mountains, you get the animated clouds. Now it's nighttime. Now if it's daytime, it's gonna be a lighter color, and when it gets afternoon, it starts to darken all the way down to evening. Right now we're in the night mode, but check this out. If I tap on it, I can make everything jump. Jump, jump. Yes, I thought that was cool. I thought it was different. It was something I wasn't expecting, but that was nice. Now this one is one of my all-time favorites. I like the color theme of this one. And if I want to, I can go into the heart rate monitor. It is interactive. And if I tap here, I can change the color theme. That's my favorite color right there. And this one here is also nice, and if I tap on the moon phase, I can go in and of course get my information for my weather. So they got some nice watch faces on here, right? This one here is called My Day. You all are familiar with this one. Now I haven't been working out, so you're not going to see the information that's going to show up closer to the bezel of the watch, but it's still nice, and it's going to be an energy saving watch face as well. Now this one is called Roaming Clock. Now you're going to get local. You're also going to get London down at the bottom, and you can customize this as well, whether you go on the watch or you want to customize the color theme in the smartphone app. It's nice. I like it. I think it's really good. Like if you're going out of town or whatever, this is really nice. And everything else is already on the smartwatch. They got like dashboard. Must be an all-time favorite because this one keeps showing up in all the new smartwatches. And that's it, people. That is it. This one is a different one. I don't know if you've seen this one before, but yes, overall, I think they have some nice watch faces on the Galaxy Watch Active. Okay, with that being said, people, I hope you enjoyed the video. And if you did, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then by all means, make sure you subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you all again at the next video. Take care.